Are you scared of breaking a live Wikipedia article while learning to edit? Master your personal sandbox in under 2 minutes. We'll access your sandbox, add sample content with a proper disclaimer, preview it, and publish safely. Let's go. Click your profile icon in the top right corner to open your user menu. Then, from the menu, select Sandbox to open your personal testing area. Now, click inside the editing box and enter your sample content. Remember, this is fictional demonstration content, not a real article. Once you've typed your content, click Show Preview to review your changes. Click Publish Page to save your sandbox. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.